to my channel. So I know I didn't film a intro for my last video, but I honestly forgot, but I wanted to film one for this because I want to kind of explain the look I did today. So clearly it's very purpley and pink for Valentine's Day, like my nails, because that really inspired by my nails. So I used a lot of new products in this video today. I really love the way this turned out. I did a half cut crease, which I've done on my channel before, so if you want to see like more in depth of that talk through, I do have a full cut crease tutorial that I did, but here I'm just kind of going through it really quickly. Overall, I loved everything I used today. I love this look. I'm literally obsessed. So happy with the way it came out. I'm trying to be consistent here on YouTube. I've had 3 hours of sleep. I've been up for almost 12 hours. So I am really trying here, okay? So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So normally I don't do my eyebrows on camera, but today I wanted to because I have a new brush that I wanted to use. This one is from e.l.f. I don't know if it's new from them, but I just got it at the Ulta that I work at. It has a spoolie on one side, it's an angled brush on the other side. It's the 203 eyebrow brush, I guess. And I really end up liking this. It cuts my eyebrows really sharp, and then I do end up cleaning them up with concealer. So next, I'm just going to start cleaning up my eyebrows with some concealer, and I'm really excited because I'm using the new Makeup Revolution concealer. Supposedly it's supposed to be like a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I do really like it. It's not as mattifying as the Tarte Shape Tape, but it works really nice for carving out your eyebrows and underneath the eyes. I am in the shade C5. So next I'm going to be going in with the new e.l.f. sponge. It reminds me so much of the Morphe one, but it's honestly even better. And I'm just going to be taking that sponge and blending out the concealer on my eyelids. Make sure my eyebrows stay in place. I'm going to be using the Frameless Lash and Brow Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. I know I do the next few steps in every single video, but they are crucial to my makeup routine. So I'm going to take the Nip and Fab No Needle Serum, and I'm going to put that on my smile lines, as you've seen before, and on my forehead. I'm taking my favorite Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I'm just spraying that on my face because my skin needed some extra hydration. Just prepping my lids for some shadow. I'm going to be going in with the Laura Lee Cat's Pajamas palette and the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And the Laura Lee palette, I'm just going to be taking those 2 transition shades that are in there, and then I'm going to be buffing that in my crease with the Makeup Shack T59 brush. Just like a really fluffy crease brush. Next, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm taking that pink shade in my crease right on top of those transition shades. Next, I just want to deepen that outer corner, so I'm going to use my favorite Morphe M433 packing brush, and I'm going to be taking that darker shade in the bottom right hand corner of the palette. I'm just packing that and wiggling that almost in my outer crease area. After you've built that color up to the intensity that you prefer, you're going to want to go back in with your blending brush. I use the Makeup Shack T59 brush, and I'm just blending out all the harsh edges. The next brush I'm going to be using is the Makeup Shack T9 brush, and I'm just going to be taking the next darker color in the eyeshadow palette And I'm just going to be packing that in the same place where I packed that other color on. Sorry, these eyeshadows have no names, so I'm just making sure that I'm saying the right color. Next, to start carving out my half cut crease, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just placing that on the inner portion of my lid. And next I'm going to be taking the Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name actually. It's from their vegan brush set. But yeah, it works really well for carving out the half cut crease. As you can probably tell, this is not easy. It does take me a long time. That's why I decided to speed this up. But take your time with this. You want to be precise and you don't want it to look choppy or messy. Next, I'm just taking this random brush. It's called Anju. That's the name of the brush set, but it doesn't have like numbers. But I'm just blending out the outer edges of the concealer and making sure it doesn't look like a complete like harsh line. Next, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Shack T48 brush. It's just like a flat packing brush, and I'm going to be taking that really light pink metallic color and just placing that all over my lid. I didn't set my eyelid with any translucent powder or anything. I just wanted to like make it really intense by not setting it. So I did spray a little of my Mario Badescu spray on it just to make it a little bit more intense. Next, my favorite part of this eye look has to be this Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. This is in the color Grace. It's just like a really pretty purple color, and I'm just placing that all over the lid. My nails actually drew inspiration for this eye look, so this color perfectly matched my nails. I love it so much. It's like a rose gold color. It's so pretty. I wanted a very dewy skin today, so I put on some Tarte Marijuana oil on my cheeks and on my forehead. Next, I'm just curling my eyelashes to prep for some mascara. I'm so excited to try out the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. It is so amazing. Like, I'm honestly shocked. I feel like it's just a better version of the roller lash. It volumizes as well as lengthens and defines your lashes. It's so good. I'm obsessed. You can literally like see my reaction. I start dancing because that's how good this mascara was. Next, I'm just going to be taking the Benefit Professional, and I'm just going to be filling those pores, and I literally pack it into my pores because my pores were very large today. Next, I'm going to be taking my favorite lashes at the moment from Violet Voss. They're called Idaho, and I did skip over this part because it just takes me so long to get my lashes on, but like I love them so much. Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Liquid Glow in Oyster because, as I said, I want a very dewy look today. Next, I'm going to be taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm honestly not even showing the actual name of it, but anyway, I'm in the shade Ivory Beige, and I'm just putting that onto my cheeks and my forehead. And I am going to be mixing that with the IT CC Cream in Tan because I did fake tan, so I was a little bit too light. I was a little too dark for that foundation. But I'm going to be using the new e.l.f. sponge, which, as you can see, blends out my foundation so nice. Okay, so I've been having a problem where I make the most ugliest faces when doing my makeup, so I had to skip over the part where I was applying my Makeup Revolution concealer, but here I'm just blending it out. I actually really like this concealer, but it is a little bit more dewier than the Tarte Shape Tape, so I wouldn't say it's a complete dupe, but if you're trying to save money, this is a really good concealer. Next, I'm just taking some Laura Mercier translucent powder in my T-zone because that's where I get the most oily. I ended up using my sponge and just blotting away some of the excess oil because I went a little overboard with the dewy look today, but I'm just brushing off some of the powder that was already on my face. Next, I'm taking this Anjua brush or whatever it's called, and I'm just taking that one cranberry shade in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just placing that underneath my lash line. I cannot speak today. Oh my god. Next, I'm going to be taking the Bad Gal Bang mascara and putting that on my lower lashes. And then I end up taking this really big e.l.f. fluffy brush. It's number 101, and I'm just brushing off the bake. And then I'm taking the Tarte face powder, which I'm trying out today as well, and I ended up really liking. I'll let you know the shade. It is in the shade medium. It's the Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder, just so you guys know. Next, I'm taking my highlighting brush from the Makeup Shack. It's the T19 brush, and I'm taking this new e.l.f. highlighter. It's in the shade Coffee and Cream. It's actually really, really nice. It was only $8. Normally, I wouldn't be able to use this Dose of Colors highlighter in Mirame from the Desi and Katie collection, but since I have a fake tan on, it looks so pretty. It's very, very glowy, and I just put that on the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and my cheekbones. Next, I'm going in with the Park Avenue Princess palette by Tarte, the contour palette, and I'm just going to be bronzing my cheeks and my forehead. Next, I'm taking this IT Cosmetics brush. It's in C7125, and I'm taking the Pink Passion Blush Trio by Anastasia, and I'm just taking all three of those colors and just putting them on my cheeks. It's my favorite blush. Next, I'm taking the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Gemini. It's a very nice pink color. Is it just me, or did he change the formula? This was like an older formula. It smells like really good, like mint. I don't know how to explain it, like licorice, I guess. But yeah, the new shades from him don't smell like this, and it's kind of annoying because I really liked it. Next, I end up taking this Lime Crime Diamond Crushers Lip Topper. It looked more pink in the bottle, but it ended up reading more blue or purple. It's really pretty, but I didn't like it for this look. I just blended it out. And then I took some Essence lip gloss. This is the Shine 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 Wet Look lip gloss. It is so nice. I believe it's only like $4. This lip gloss is bomb. It lasted me like a good few hours, which is like really like a long time for lip gloss. But yeah, so this is the final look. I really hope that whoever's watching really liked this tutorial. I hope you guys wear it. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.